So very quickly, let me walk you through the types of logos that we have. We have 7 different kinds of logo. Don't let anybody overcomplicate it to you. Some people say they are 8, they are 9, they are 10, they are 20. Just focus on the 7 and you do fine. So we have word mark. Word mark is basically a word that it's manipulated some way. Word mark is actually a word, but it's manipulated. Could be with a font, could be with an image, could be in a stylish way, just a word that is worked upon. So you see, this is a font-based word mark, Sony. You can just pick any font and just write Sony, but they chose a specific font and they write Sony. So same with Facebook, it's just a word, but the font is somehow unique. This one is a word too, but if you see, the E has been manipulated to form something like a leaf. This one too is a word, and the font is slighted a little bit. This one, so word mark is simply a word stylishly manipulated or font based. So the next one we have is letter mark. Letter mark is, they call it monogram also. This is simply you using a combination of letters. This is CNN, this is NY. So if somebody give you what's it called, a logo designer said he wants a logo and gives you his 2 initials. I did one recently for TY, so I just had to combine the letter T and letter Y in a. So I combined the letter T and the letter Y together, and then I got TY. So just a combination of letters or a single letter manipulated, that's letter mark. They call it monogram too. Symbol mark, now this is a symbol, it's a shape, it's something that represents something, usually a symbol. Usually this one is an animal, this one is a bird, this one is an apple, you can see a bat. So it's more like a symbol. So you get that. Combination mark, combination is from the word combination you get both a word and a symbol. That's combination mark. This is a symbol and the word, they go together. You can't isolate them, so they must go. This combination mark, and this emblem and crest, emblem and crest. So it's more like all these club logos. You see football clubs use emblem and crest. You see schools use as emblem and crest. So it depends on the client. If a football club is coming for a design, you can't be doing a word mark for a football club, like seriously, or a monogram. Now you want to do some kind of emblem. So you see, this is cool, or a club. So that's just what it is. And there is a 7th type. I just showed you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is 5. There is a 7th type, logo types. Okay, good. So we have the abstract mark, which is symbol mark too. Then we have mascot. Yeah, mascot is more like image of a person. Image of a person, typically cartoonized, or just a cartoon rendering of a silhouette rendering image of a person, or get the gist. So that's just what it is. So mascot, and I think that's all. I think they're just, that's it. So some people, now this is letter mark. and this is wordmark. So if you want access to this document, I didn't create it. You can see the owner is by Kelly Moore. So if you want access to it, you can find it in the description below. Similar to this, I didn't create it, so but you can always download it in the description. So that's it. So the next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to start with wordmark. We are going to go one after the other to design these logos. Stay tuned.